Hello students, tangents and secants to a circle. So it is exercise 9.3. It is important chapter. Here in this chapter, in this exercise 9.3, in this exercise, 8 problems are there. 8 problems are all important for your annual exams. So I'm doing this 8 problems in a two videos. Like first video 1 to 4 I will do, and other will, and 5 to 8 I will do, because it is a lengthy problems. It will take one problem is a 5 to 6 minutes. So that's why I'm doing two classes. So please guys watch these videos. Thank you. Start with the first question of 9.3, exercise 9.3. Start with the first question. A chord of a circle of a radius 10 centimeters and subtend is right angle at the center. The find the area of the corresponding. So use pi is equal to 3.14 is equal. We have to use here. So start with the solution. So diagram will like come like this. This is a circle and this is a point. These are the radius 10 centimeters and 10 centimeters, and this is a chord. He asking for the chord of a circle. So here 0 up to center. So this is a shaded area. So we need to find total this one. Okay, this is a sector. This one is a sector. We need to find triangle also, and this shaded sector also. So minor segment is this one, and major segment is this one. Total in the sector. Okay, so here given that, what is the given? So given is equal to angle subtended to chord. Angle subtended to chord is 90 degrees. Here he right angle triangle is saying na. So subtends to the right angle at the center. So here given that angle subtended to the chord is equal to 90 degrees. Subtend. Yeah, you have to write here this subtends. Okay, subtends to the chord is 90 degrees, and the radius of this radius is equal to how much? Is equal to 10 centimeters, and area of minor segment is equal to. So we need to find area of this minor segment is equal to. So area of minor segment is equal to, what is the formula? How can we write it as formula? Area of sector. Area of sector. We can write it as area of sector. Area of sector means this total. This thing that P and this thing that Q. So OPQ total sector. This is a sector of like naito POQ. Okay, so POQ is a sector. Here POQ minus, and what we have to do? So area of this OPQ. Okay, area of triangle OPQ. naito POQ. Okay, so we can write it as POQ or POQ, anything. So area of sector is equal to formula. We need to write area of sector. Sector is equal to how much formula? X by 360 into pi r square is the area of sector formula. Please remind, this one is important one. Okay, so here x is 90 degrees, because these are this is only 90 degrees. 90 degrees divided by 360 into pi means what we have to take? 3.14 na? So 3.14 into 10 into 10. So 0 0 will get cancelled. 9 1 ja 9, 4 ja 36, 2 2 ja 2 5 ja 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. So how much we get? 5 5 ja 25 into 3.14 is a, here what will total will come like this, 78.5 will come here. Okay, so area of triangle we need to find. So here also area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Okay, half into base into height. This is the area of triangle formula. Half into base is how much? How can we get base is 10. Okay, this is a base 10 into height is also 10. So 1 by 2 into, no, it will get cancelled, is equal to 50 is the answer here. 50 centimeter here answer. Okay, so area of minor segment is equal to, we need to find area of minor segment is equal to how much? Area of sector minus area of triangle. This one, area of triangle POQ. So here answer will become area of minor sector is equal to how much will come? 78.5 minus 50 is equal to how much? We'll get 28.5 is the answer here. And another thing, So we need to find area of major sector also, na? Area of major segment or sector. Segment we need to find here. Area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle, this total area of circle minus this segment, if we minus kare to, so it will total come. Okay na? So area of this one is minor segment, this total will become the larger segment. Okay, this is a larger segment or major segment. So here major segment is equal to area of circle is how much? Area of circle formula is equal to area of circle minus area of minors. Okay, area of minor segment is equal to area of circle is equal to how much? Pi r square na, 3.14 into 10 into 10 is it minus how much? 28.5. So how it will become comes means 314, because it will become 2 points is then it will become 100. So 100 and 10 cancel, we will cancel, and 314 will remain 28.5 it will become. So the 314 minus 28.5 is equal to 285.5 centimeters square is the answer here. So we need to find there is a major segment. Minor segment value is how much? Minor segment 28.5 and major segment is equal to 285.5 centimeter square. So these are the answers. First this much big is there. So next we go to the next question. So second question solution: a chord of a circle of radius is 12 centimeters and subtends to the 120 angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and of the circle. Total minor segment we have to find. Okay. Solution here. Start with the first question. Start with the solution. Radius of the circle r is equal to how much? 12 centimeters. So diagram will come like this. Okay. It will become this is 120 degrees and the radius is how much given? 12 centimeters and 12 centimeters. Okay, this is a minor segment, we need to find this only. Okay, so this is the total area of sector PQ, think that. Okay, PQ, and this is the M, think that M, this side is a O. So start with the area of sector formula. Area of sector is equal to how much? X divided by 360 into pi r square. So area x is equal to 120 here, 120 degrees given. Okay, 120 degrees divided by 360 into pi means 3.14 into how much given? 12. R means 12 into 12. So 121, 120 and 3 ja. So it will become 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 12 4 ja, 48 into 3.14 here. So total will become answer is like this. How much it will come? 150.72 will come. Okay, so it is the here up to the this sector area. Okay, here we cut this sector into two segments. Like one segment is a total 120 degrees is there now, we cut in the 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. Okay, so here we cut it in the 90 degrees. Here this is 30 degrees, it will become into 90 degrees, and this is also 30 degrees. So sin 3 is equal to 30 degrees will come. So we need to find here area of OPM triangle. Okay, triangle OPM. So OPM we need to find here. Okay, so here the formula, what is OPM is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height na. So PM into OM will come. So PM into OM this will come. So half into, so it come, and it will half into PM means how much? So PM is not there. Okay, we have to find this also and this also. So we keep it like here only. So but cos 30 is equal to, so here this one 30 degrees. So like this it will form, and it will become 30 here. This is the 30, and it will total 120 here, and this is also 30 degrees here. Okay, so this is 90 degrees. This is the total circle around it. Okay, so please go through like that one. So cos 30 is equal to PM divided by OP. So PM What is the P here? O. This is the M. This is a P. This is a Q. PM divided by OQ. Okay. Cos 30 is equal to. So here cos 30 is equal to how much value? Root 3 by 2 is equal to PM divided by 12. So OP is equal to how much here? OP is equal to 12. So this is the radius. So 2 1 ja 2 6 ja will get cancelled. PM is equal to 6 into root 3. Okay, na? PM is equal to 6 into root 3 will come. From this sin 30 is equal to, also we have to find sin 30 is equal to how much will come? OM by OP. So sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. OM means how much here? OM. So OM is equal to, not given, we have to find that only. So OP is equal to, so OP is equal to 12 centimeters. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. OM is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay. So we need to find another also. Therefore angle OPM is equal to, triangle OPM is equal to 1 by 2 into 6 root 3 into 6 is equal to 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 6 3 ja 18. So 18 root 3 is the answer here. Okay. Root 3 value is equal to how much? 1.732. So 18 into 1.732 is equal to 31.176 centimeters square it will come. Okay. So we need to find here something also, another thing. So triangle OPQ is equal to, we need to find here 2 into, so here OPQ. So these are the two triangles here. We find another OPM. Okay. So we find that only, we found, and another we have to find OPQ also total. Okay. So we need to find 2 into 31.176 is equal to how much will come? 62.352 is the answer here. So these two triangles are equal here, parallel, similar and similarly parallel. Okay. So we can find like this only. So if confused, please ask me again. I will do the problems of this one, second one only, second one only, the hard problem. So we go for the third problem. So a car has a two wipers which do not overlap. Overlap means एक के ऊपर एक नहीं जाता. So each wiper has a blade of 25 centimeters. So like this car, okay, car front glass like this, and this is the wiper. Okay, this is the second wiper. Think that. Okay, so it will this is 25 centimeters, and this is also 25 centimeters. So swiping through the an angle of 115. So 115 angle. This is also 115. So find the total area cleared each swipe of the blades. Solution here. Total area. So what is the total area? We need to find swept by two blades. So is equal to how much? Area of sector. This is a sector will covered by the this what is this called as a wipers. Okay, area of sector with the radius is equal to 25 centimeters, and the angles is equal to how much? 115 na? So is the here two wipers, that's why it is 2 means 230 it will come. 2 will multiply with the 115, 230 will come. So area of sector formula. So area of sector we need to find here. Area of sector need to find here. Then only we can get this cleaned area. Okay, is equal to x by 360 into pi r square. Pi r square means how much? Here is the area of circle formula, pi r square. Okay, so x means how much? 230 degrees here. 230 divided by 360 into how much we have to take? 20 by 7 into, he don't given anything na. So he given use pi is equal to as a 22 by 7. Okay, so 22 by 7 we take it as. So r means how much given? R is equal to 25 centimeter. 25 into 25. So 0 0 will get cancelled. It will be go for huge. So directly we multiply with this directly. So 23 into 23, this is 525, 625, and means common, so how much? 2 11 cha, 2 18 cha. Okay. Mm, anything will get cancelled? No, nothing will get cancelled. Answer will become 21254.96. Okay, this is the answer, centimeter square. So here asking that find the area for the question, find the area of a shaded region in the figure. This is a figure, and where ABCD is a square of this, this is a square means all sides are 10 centimeters only. So and the semicircles are drawn in the each side of the square diameter like this. Okay na? So this is a diameter. So we need to find his here used as pi is equal to 3.14. So find the area of the shaded region. Solution. So let us mark the shaded regions as a 1 2 unshaded region as a 1. Okay, so 2, and here 3, and this one 4. So marked as a 1 2 3 and 4, unshaded region only, unshaded regions. Okay, so area of area of first shaded region plus area of third, we take it as, because two semicircles, this is the one semicircle and this is the one semicircle, we take it. Okay, so area of one shaded region, this one, and area of this is equal to area of ABCD. So total square area of square minus, and areas of two semicircles with a radius 5. This is a radius 5. Okay na, this is a radius 5 means this in half between, this is a radius 5, like this one. This is a 5 centimeters, because this total is centimeters, it will become 5 centimeters. And the area of two semicircles with a radius 5, area of two semicircle radius is equal to 5. So answer 10 into 10 here. Area of square is equal to 10 into 10 minus, and 2 into 2 pi r square na, so area of two circles. Okay na, pi r square half into pi r square means 5 square. So 2 1 ja 2 1 ja will cancel. So 10 into 10 ja 100 minus 3.14, 22 by 7, 3.14. Pi means 3.14 into 5 square. 5 square means 25. So answer will become 100 minus 78.5 is equal to 21.5 centimeters is the answer here. Okay, so next one, similarly area for second plus 4, this one second, this one second, this one 4 is equal to total area for this one. Okay, so area of 2 plus area of 4 is equal to, this is a 2 and this is a 4. So here what will be the answer? 100 minus, so this total is 100 minus, and what will become answer? This 2 into this one plus this one, 2 semicircle na, that's why 2 into 21.5. so 100 minus how much it will become? 43 will become. 43 is equal to 100 minus 43 is equal to 57. So 57 is the answer here. Total shaded region of this diagram. Okay, so this is about the 4 questions today. So other 4 questions we discuss in the next class. So thank you guys. Please do like and share with your friends. Thank you guys.